welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video I've been wanting to film for a really long time. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my flexi rod sets on my natural hair, which is semi-wet. I washed my hair a few hours ago, so I will be using my spray bottles to add more water in if I need to, because my hair is probably pretty much dry. But this goes for the same if you wanted to do this on blow dried hair. You would just use a little bit less products or maybe different products, but it all works the same. So I'm gonna get right into the products that I'm going to be using. Okay, so today I'm going to be using all Creme of Nature products to achieve this style. I am going to be using a few different products that aren't Creme of Nature, but the majority of it is Creme of Nature. So the first thing is the Creme of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse, and this is what it looks like. You can get all of this at the beauty supply, and I think they sell some of this stuff at Target. And then I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I haven't used any of these products either, so I'm really excited to see how they work on my hair. I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Perfect Edges on the Go. Comes in this little tube that looks like lip gloss, but it is not lip gloss. Don't put this on your lips, please. I was going to get the regular edge control that comes in like a little circle one, but it was like $6 and this was $3.85, and I just think it's not gonna work on my edges, so I didn't want to get a big one. And then you're going to need some oil. You could have I didn't see the Creme of Nature oil, so I just got this. It was only $2, and this is just some avocado oil by Via Natural. And you're gonna need this when you're taking out the flexi rods, just to add like more shine and to make sure it doesn't get frizzy and messed up, so that's really good. You're gonna need a spray bottle with water, of course, you don't want breakage. And then for my edges, just in case that edge control doesn't work, I'm definitely going to be using my edge booster. You're going to need a denim brush. You may need a comb to part your hair, and then you're also gonna need an edge brush for your edges, but this has this right here, so you probably don't even need that comb, but you know, you're definitely gonna need some clips. And then you're gonna need the flexi rods. This is 30 flexi rods. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them all. I might use like 24 or 26, 28, but this is 30. So let me tell y'all why there's two different colors. I had originally 12 of these blue rods, and when I got to the beauty supply today, I picked up the gray ones. Like, am I dumb? Am I dumb? I picked up the gray ones. Should've got the blue ones, but it's whatever. They're kind of close in size, and then they also only had the short ones, but we'll just make it do what it do. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so I already did this side of my hair, and this is how it's looking. I'm using the gray and blue flexi rods only. So I'm now getting ready to start on this section here in the back. After I take out the braid, I take my Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to put that in the back of my hair. It smells amazing, so if you guys are interested in this product, you should definitely get it because it smells amazing. So I'm going in with this leave-in conditioner, and then I'm just going to detangle my hair a little bit more before I start adding in the flexi rods. I'm now splitting my hair up into 3 smaller sections, so there's going to be 2 flexi rods on the bottom, 2 on the middle, and 3 on the top for a total of 7. I'm going to be using the blue flexi rods on the bottom 2 rows and the gray ones on the top. So I'm now going in with my Cream of Nature Style and Shine foaming mousse, and I'm going to add a good amount of that to this piece of hair, and I'm then going to add a little bit of that edge control from Cream of Nature just to give it a little hold, not a lot at all, but you're going to use some on the end. And I'm just going to start flat twisting down. It doesn't necessarily have to be like a cornrow flat twist, but you just want to do a twist a little bit down. You're going to brush it. Take your hand all the way to the bottom and then wrap that hair on the flexi rod. And right now I'm adding a little bit of that edge control to the end just to make sure that it's laying completely flat, because if it's not laying flat, it's not going to curl properly at the end. And I'm just rolling it upwards until I get to the root. And right here I'm just closing the flexi rod. I'm not doing a particular way of closing the flexi rod, I'm just doing it however it works out. I'm not really doing like the horseshoe method or anything, but just doing what works. So I finished the rest of my hair, and now I just wanted to show you guys this right here, because the way your hair falls on your face depends on the direction you twist it in or put your flexi rods on. So I want my hair to fall onto my face, so I'm going to twist forward. If you don't want your hair to fall on your face, you can do it to the side, to the back, but don't twist forward if you don't want it to fall on your face. But since I want it to fall on my face, I'm going to twist it forward, and I'm going to do this for both of these. And I'm also going to tell you guys right now, I used probably 30 or 28 flexi rods in total throughout my head. I did 14 in the back, and I'm not sure how many I did in the front, but I know I used about 30 to 28 flexi rods. So as you can see, I'm just rolling it up so where it can fall on my face, and then I will be done installing all of these flexi rods, and I'll take them out the next morning. I also want to mention that it's not very hard to sleep on these if you have them pointed the right direction. It's not going to be the best sleep in your life, but you can get through it. And all you're going to do is you're going to put on your bonnet and then just go to bed. So So it's the next day and I'm completely ready. So I'm now going to take out my flexi rods. So I'm just twisting them in the opposite direction that I had them in. And I also want to tell you guys that when you do flat twist, it prevents frizz at the roots, and it also makes it a lot easier when you're separating your hair. But right now I'm just taking off the flexi rods and I'm just taking them off in the opposite direction that I had them on, and they're coming right off with no issues. So this is what it looks like now that I have all of the flexi rods out. And yes, shrinkage is very, very real. We all know this. So you're going to have to do some stretching at the end. But now I'm getting ready to apply the avocado oil to my hands, just to add in a little shine when I'm separating all of these curls. You do want to have oil on your hands so that you're not breaking your hair and so that it adds a little shine. So when I'm taking them out, I'm basically just twisting them in the opposite direction, like that they're naturally untwisting. Like you don't really want to force anything out or it will mess up the curls. So just kind of unravel it in the opposite directions, and those 2-strand twists are going to unravel so easily, and it's going to make it a lot easier. And as you can see, I'm just separating it. Each curl I separate about 4 to 6 times just to get the maximum amount of curls. So I'm now just going in with a wide tooth comb to stretch out my hair at the roots. You can also use a hair pick if you have one, and you can also use your blow dryer to kind of stretch out your hair at the roots if you want it to be bigger and you want more volume. But I didn't really care because your hair gets bigger as the days go by, so I was just gonna let it do that naturally. So now I'm gonna kind of slick this side of my hair down, and I'm also gonna do my edges. So I'm using some edge booster, and then I'm going to use a comb to slick this back, and then I'm going to use an edge brush to do my edges. So I'm going in with some black bobby pins just to kind of keep my hair back and give it that type of effect. You could also use like colored bobby pins or cute clips if you wanted to add some flair, but I didn't want these pins to be seen, so that's why I did mine like this. And this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna do my edges and then I will be done. So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell. Stay notified for my video that will be coming out in a few days. And stay tuned, guys. Bye.